accept them. They bring me tokens of myself. They evince them plainly in their possession.
Here we are going to learn the last 4 lines of our poem.
In these lines, the poet Walt Whitman says that animals express their relationship with the poet in a simple way, and he, in turn, accepts them for what they are. Animals offer the poet visible signs of qualities such as innocence and simplicity, and reveal to him by their behavior how these qualities quite clearly belong to them.
In the last lines of the poem, the poet wants to tell us, he says, not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. So they show their relations to me and I accept them. They bring me tokens of myself. They evince them plainly in their possession. I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? In the first 2 lines, the poet wants to tell us that animals express their relationship. Animals express their relationship with him in a simple way. The animals express their relationship with the poet in a simple way, and so he accepts them for what they are. They express their relations in a simple way, so the poet accepts the animals as they are. The animals offer him visible signs of qualities, means the animal shows some qualities such as innocence and simplicity. With their behavior, the animal shows the qualities of innocence and simplicity to the poet and reveal to them by their behavior how these qualities quite clearly belong to them. And these qualities, means their quality of simplicity and innocence, they reveal these qualities to the poet. They reveal their qualities by their behavior to the poet, and in this way they explain how these qualities quietly belongs to them, means through their behavior they shows the good qualities, they shows their qualities of innocence and simplicity towards the poem, and so the poet accept them as they are.
I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? In these lines, the poet Walt Whitman says he wonders where the animals obtain those tokens. The poet wonders if mankind, represented by the poet himself, while passing through the various stages of evolution, once possessed these qualities ages ago, and then, across the years, carelessly gave them up.
And in the next lines, the poet says he wonders where animals obtained those tokens, from where the animals obtained these qualities. The poets, including himself, says that while passing through the various stages of evolution, when human passed through the various stages of evolution, they possess these qualities which the animals have now. They possess these qualities ages ago, but as they progress, as they develop himself, they carelessly drop these qualities back. And so the poet wants to change his lifestyle. And he wants to live with the animals. And so the poet wants to change his lifestyle and he wants to live with the animals. Here we finish our poem Animals, and in the next period I will give you some exercise on this poem, and today's homework for you is complete question answer given on page number 47. Complete given question answer given on page number 47 in your notebook.